My music just stopped because I have my internet unhooked, so it just stopped my music. But anyhow, if you don't know that theme by now, you either hate Johnny Depp, you hate Orlando Bloom, you hate Keira Knightley, you hate pirates in general, or you're just weird. Seriously. I'm sorry to have to be so blunt, but, you know, if you just... No, I'm not even going to go there. Okay, this movie is the third Pirates movie. 3. Yeah, it's awesome. Okay, in the second movie, well, the first movie, you meet Jack, well, you meet everybody, and it's just the beginning. It's about the Black Pearl, you know, Barbossa dies. In the second movie, Jack dies, Barbossa comes back, you meet Davy Jones. The third movie, it's got Davy Jones, it's got Jack, Elizabeth becomes a pirate, Will tries to help his father, and what else happens? Anyhow, a bunch of stuff happens in this movie, and it's really good. I can't exactly explain this movie, and it's just, I'm supposed to be like the movie queen, and it's just not working for me tonight. I don't know if it's because I'm so nervous because I'm about to go on a date after I finish getting ready. Trust me, I look like a mess. But, or what, but anyhow, all I'm going to say is, go see it. It's not in theaters anymore. I know I'm late posting this. You can kill me later, but if you don't go see this movie when it comes out December 6th, December the 6th of this year, if you don't go see it, I promise I will come to wherever you are, wherever you live, don't care what time of day it is, and I will make you sit down and watch that movie, because it is just too good to miss. Okay? So, sorry I'm being so mean today. I'm just, this movie is just too good to miss. Okay, although you can't go see the movie right now because it's out of theaters, you can still go buy the soundtrack. Okay? The soundtrack, the music's awesome. You just heard a little bit of it, but, you know, you just heard it. So, go see it when it comes out, December 6th. Buy it, rent it, don't care. Go buy the soundtrack now. Okay? While it's still out. Because I went the other day and they were sold out and they said they were not going to restock for like 2 weeks. Okay? So I have to wait to get my copy. But anyhow, I love all 3 of the Pirates movies. I know you're going to love them too. Just go see them, and I'll talk to you guys later. Like I said, I'm sorry I'm being so mean tonight. I promise I will change. Okay? Love you all still. Bye!